Excuse me, ma'am.
Ayan na siya.
May unfold the table napkin.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your tuna canapé. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? May I bus out?
Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your soup. Here's your chicken soup.
Magdagat na.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? May I bus out? Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your sweet and sour fish fillet with yang chow.
Hi guys.
With fried rice, yang chow.
Yan, chow fried rice.
Yang chow fried rice.
Yan yung napili mo ha.
Excuse me, Ma'am Maridan. May I bus out?
Oops, nakapitas ka.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? May I bus out? 2.
Oh. Talaga na.
Antay ko yung day. Nakalipat ka, day.
Nagkatakot ka na ba? Ito mahulog na ano sa ako. Ay, mali ka. Ulit.
Ayaw nga pala. Hoy.
Balik.
Hoy, gumaperdito diyaw. Hindi man tali mag... Hi, guys.
Hi guys, baliktad. Yan.
Nag-dessert ang namin na. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your... Ano pa nga ba? Mag-salad ka nga lang. Excuse me, ma'am. May I bus out? Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? May I bus out? It's already 5 p.m. Excuse me, ma'am. Ay!
Oy!
Ay pala. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like me to serve your coffee? Would you like me to serve your coffee? Tama naman.
Mali yung ano mo, Day. Day! Yung ano mo, pagkalagay ng ano, tingnan mo, yung sito. Sabi na i-flower base sila. Oo. Center lagi.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your coffee, ma'am. Here's your coffee, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? May I bus out? Here's your water, ma'am.
Kalimutan naman kanina yun.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? May I...
Mali!
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? May I clear the table? Okay. Thank you. Excuse me. Ay,
Ano to may ano sa ano?
thank you, ma'am. Hindi ko na, bukas naman. Sana pala na gano'n na lang ako nag-live. Hindi pa sayang yung ano.
Sa ulit, mag-ano ka?
Sige, perfectin ka pa.